Okay, out in the dark. Everything's all cleaned up. Sunlight's gone. Nice blue sky though. Okay, I'm going to put this underneath here and pretend like we're going to catch something. If not, let's put this underneath to catch some of it. Somewhere in that general area should come pouring down out of there. Okay, so fuel is on, everything is on. See if we can light this thing up. That thing's drying out. It's definitely dark out here. Okay, you'll see the flame real good when it lights off. That's light for me to see from the camera. Very important that I can see what's going on. Camera back a little further. So we're going to be adjusting our idle mixture, idle speed, braking a little bit, make sure it's pumping oil back to the tank. All that good stuff you're supposed to do when you start a new bike. And we have already got a gusher going like crazy. Oh no, that was good. That was a shadow. It looked like a big oil slick under the bike already. Alright, let's get a flashlight so I can see. Here's a screwdriver. Light. I need a flashlight to find my flashlight. Where did it go? Where did it go? In someplace. Okay, I give up. Who stole it? Who stole the flashlight? Alright, we can't start the bike without a flashlight. Where's it at? Where did it get left? I think the camera's got its own light. It's going to be lost. Not there. Okay, doesn't appear to be anywhere around here. Oh, there it is right there. I took a quick look inside, didn't see it. Alright, success. We found our light. Let's see, we got any more fluid in the reservoir tank? Not really. Looks pretty dry. Okay, we'll see. Alright, we're going to make some noise. Sit there, that can sit there. The idle speed up. So that. And give an extra third of a turn just for the hell of it. Choke is on. Okay. Throttle works. Contact. Oil flow.
something happened. Here, but hot on them cylinders. Damn, those cylinders are hot. Heads aren't very hot. Those cylinders are boiling hot. Damn. That one's really hot compared to that one. Yeah, that one's hot. Real hot. Smells a little bit rich, not too bad.
check the alternator. Stays nice and bright. Alright, where the screwdriver go? I'm losing my tools. Oh, too late, ran out of gas. So let me hit the screwdriver for myself. Couldn't tell if the battery's working or not. I ran out of gas finally. It's definitely got some leaks coming out. A lot of noise, and it sounds like a worn out stock Harley. Or a brand new Harley. Got that same muffled, crappy noise to it. And I did open up that muffler too. Yeah, one position does nothing on the key switch. It sounded noisier when it sounded better when it first started up, but then it got worse. Now I opened that muffler up, but damn, it's good. It sounds like it's only breathing through that little hole right there. I don't know how the hell you can get that thing out of there. Those holes do not want to open up. That thing needs to be opened way the hell up to make this thing breathe. This thing's gonna be lucky to break 80 miles an hour. As bad as this thing sounds. It's got a hell of a lot of oil leaks though. That's a tremendous amount of oil leak. Looks like under the primary's okay. Yeah. Oh, what a turd. Big turd. Look up turd in the phone book. That's what this is. Let's pull these plugs out and take a look-see at them. Alright, I'll be back.